Good evening, everybody. This is Dan again. I'm going to do this the Hello World script with you in the Visual Studio. If you haven't done so, if you recall in our last exercise, I had you create the My First Program in here. If you can please right mouse click on it and come down and have Add New Item. Make sure you select the CPP file in here in your name. Please use main. The word main, M-A-I-N, lowercase, keeping it CPP file extension, and click on add. A couple of things I want to point out here, if you could for me, to adjust the font size, tool, options, and you can always go to the environment, expand that, select on the font and color, and select the 20, or I don't know, for me 20 for the purpose of demonstration that I'm doing right now. The other one is I want to scroll down and find, if you can please find the text editor and find your C++, expand that, the general, enable the word wrap for me, and also include the line number. Click OK. This is what you have. So moving right along, the first three lines of codes I'd like for you to type in here is your name. Your name goes here. Okay. Second line code is your course number. In this case, is CUSC 1415/1436, which are concurrent, section 8001. And your third line of code should be your description, your program description. So in this case, this is your Lab1 HelloWorld. Now, the first line of code I want to talk to you about is the pound include IO stream. You notice that telecent kicks in. There's no semicolon with it. Second line code I like for you to use is name using namespace, and I'm going to explain everything in a second. Bear with me for a moment. And the last one is int main function, curly brackets, return 0, and right curly brackets with it. This is what I consider as the skeleton. This is in every programming code. If you know this from now to chapter 4, it'll get you a long ways. Just a few explanations. We've called this as the preprocessor. This right here is using namespace std semicolon. It allows you to use commands such as cout, extractor, quotations, inline, semicolon, all that right here, which is this line. The int main is your front door. The int main is what I call is your front door. Your front door allows you to know your main function with it. It's between curly brackets and it's returning a 0, which is a false, which is a data type of an int. Okay, so it's your basic function with it. For this right now, if you could just go ahead and type cout, extractor, and put a string in there. You can say hello world C++ programming rocks. Okay, close that quote, extractor, and line moves the cursor and semicolon with it. So this is just a simple basic code. Control S will saves it. Control F5, holding down your Control F5 will compile it. Click on yes, and this is what you should get as far as the output comes to your screen with it. Okay, that concludes the tutorial, and I want to